Alright, hello YouTube land. It's our last day here. Talimena State Park's pretty nice. Some pros are small, quiet for the most part except the road. Just be ready for some road noise. There's only a few people here right now. Pretty standard RV setup. And it's pretty small. I think I've already said that. But great for a weekend trip. Some cons. Bathrooms are aged, but they weren't too bad, but the cleaning service was a little spotty. So like for example, we had to grab toilet paper from one because those bathrooms were clogged to then take it to the family bathroom, which had no toilet paper. So stuff like that. And then of course the Ouachita Trail starts here. It's just right there. Yeah, I guess the biggest con is just that road that's by here. So if you're a light sleeper, bring your earplugs. Next is going to be Lake Murray, so more to come.
These are the main RV bathrooms. They were pretty old, but everything worked inside and it had pretty good hot water. And this is just what the inside looks like of the men's room. Not the worst bathrooms ever, but I've seen better. The toilets were not that great, but I think cleaning is a big issue there. And then the shower, not the best in the world, but again had great hot water and worked, so all went well there. And then this is the family bathroom, which is just one big room with a toilet, sink, and shower, and that was pretty good, and several people used that. Again, bathroom and sink, and then shower here in a moment. All worked well in that one as well. This was the only shelter that you could rent in the park, and it was located at the very end of the RV area. And this was the playground area located in the middle of the RV area, and it was pretty nice. I did see several people using it.
Alright, hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm with my friend Tony today. We're doing the Ouachita Forest. Sammy's with as well. Longest inland trail in the United States. We'll see what happens.